Hey gang, we're getting into proportions and different theorems about finding if triangles are similar to each other by using proportions. But I want to take a word about ratios right now. If we look at this right here, we see we have 1/2. That is a fraction or just a ratio. It's part of the whole. If we take 1 pie and divide it in half and you eat 1/2 of that, you ate one of the two parts, so part of the whole. That's a ratio. But proportion is two ratios that are equal to each other. And to prove that these equal each other, there's two ways. The first way is we do cross multiplication. Now we've done that earlier while you were in school still. So if we cross multiply it, we say that 6 equals 6. So we know that that is in proportion to each other. If there's a second way that you're going to see a lot in some videos, and they're just going to reduce the fractions of each ratio, and if they equal each other, then they're in proportion. So for example, we see this is 1/2 equals 3/2. Can we reduce this? We can. We can reduce it to 1/2, divide the top and bottom by 3, and we get 1/2. So 1/2 equals 1/2. We see that the two fractions are the same. So when we have two triangles and we're trying to find it, this is easy. We know how to do it. We're going to take this side is corresponding to that side, and that side is corresponding to that side. So we see 1/2 equals 3/6. 3/6. And we see that's the same thing. So we already know that you can say it's 1/2 equals 1/2. Or if we cross multiply, it's 6 equals 6. But I want to take something else that you'll see. What happens if we take 1/3? They're not corresponding. But hold on a second. We're going to put the shorter side on top and the longer side on the bottom. And we're going to see if that's proportional. To the longer side, the shorter side on top and the longer side on the bottom. So now we can cross multiply and see that 6 equals 6, or we can reduce. So we have 1/3 equals 2/6, divide top and bottom by 2. We have 1/3, okay? So we have 1/3 equals 1/3. So we still proved proportionality, but this time we used fractions. We have 2 more videos for you to watch in this series. So if you have any questions, please email me at sunshinenichols@yahoo.com or through the Google Classroom. Thank you.